Someone left you unread, they walked past you like you were invisible. You said something and got silence. That stings, and most people respond in the worst possible way. They overthink, they chase, they shrink. But today I'm going to show you exactly what to do when someone ignores you, and it's going to flip the entire dynamic in your favor. Section 1, why people ignore you. First, let's get real about you why it happens. People ignore others for three reasons. 1. They are distracted or overwhelmed. It's not about you at all. 2. Number 2. They are testing you consciously or not. They want to see how you respond under pressure. 3. They have lost interest and your reaction will either confirm that or completely change it. Here's the truth, being ignored is not the problem, your response to it is where everything gets decided. What do not do? Let me save you from the trap most people fall into. Don't double text. Sending three follow ups screams insecurity. Don't go cold and passive aggressive. That's just playing a childish game and you lose. Don't make it a big deal. The moment you say, where are you ignoring me? You have already lost the frame. Every one of these moves signals one thing to the other person, you have power over me. And once someone senses that, the dynamic is gone. What to do? Here's what actually works, and I mean changes everything. Step 1, go quiet on purpose, not out of hurt, out of confidence. There is a massive difference. One is reactive, the other is international. Silence from a secure person is magnetic. Silence from a wounded person is obvious. Step 2. Fill your word. Call a friend. Start a project. Post something great. Go somewhere. The goal is simple. Become genuinely busy with your own life, not as a tactic, as a standard. People are attracted to people who have somewhere to be. Step number 3, if you reach out, do it once and do it right. Not, hey you good, that's weak. Say something interesting, something light, something that opens a door without begging them to walk through it. One message, no follow up, then let it go. Step number 4, detach from the outcome. This is the hardest one and the most powerful. The second you genuinely stop needing a response, your energy shifts. People feel that it's not manipulation, it's majority. Number 4, the mindset shift. Here is what nobody tell you. Being ignored is a filter, not a failure. The people who consistently show up for you, those are you people, the ones who make you chase. They are showing you exactly who they are. You don't need to someone's priority by force. You become someone priority by being what someone prioritizing. Work on that, and that people will never leave you unread. If this hit different, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Drop a comment. You have ever been ignored by someone and not chased? What happened? And if you want more videos on confidence, communication, and becoming someone people actually value, subscribe. New video drop every week. See you in next one.